Now watch this one. What is the average turnaround time using longest remaining time first? So now we can see that all the arrival times are zeros, right? So which means all the process are directly available from the beginning, and now it is up to you to choose the longest one first, right? And then whenever the burst times are same and arrival times are same, then you go with the process IDs, which means you take the process ID which is having the lowest process ID, right? So now let's watch it. So first thing is, which one is the longest one in this? Obviously longest one is P3, right? So now I'm going to schedule P3 right from 0. Then how long should I execute it? Can I execute till 8? No, because in the middle itself some other process might become the longer one, right? Therefore, how long should you execute it? Check this. If I execute it for 4 units, then the next one will become 4 and there will be a tie, and then tie will be broken using the process IDs here. Therefore, I have to execute it only till 4, so that the next one will become, some other process will become the longest one, right? So which means I am going to execute it till 4 so that its remaining time will become 4, and now there is a tie, and the tie is broken by arrival times. Whenever arrival times are also tied, then it is broken by process ID. Therefore P2 is going to get the next precedence, right? Now both are having the same time. Then what happens? P2, P3, it will alternate, right? Then both will become 3 and 3, isn't it? Again both are becoming the same, both are having the same time, and now so both will be executed for one more time, which means P2, P3. So it is 7 and 8, right? And now see this, P1, P2, P3, all the three are having the same time. P1, P2 and P3, all the three are having the same time. Therefore all of them are going to be executed in that order. So what is the order? P1, then P2, then P3, right? Then they will become 1, 1, 1. So it is 9, 10, 11, right? And again in the same order, P1, P2, P3, P1, P2, P3, right? Then what do we get? 12, 13, 14, right? So this is how all the process got executed. Now if you watch it, arrival time, burst time, and now we should write the completion time. Then we can find out the turnaround time, we can find out the average of it, right? Then what is the completion time? So you should check from the ending, right? So I told you, in this longest remaining time, all the process will complete almost close to each other. They are like, it is like a running race, and everyone is having a small difference, small margin. It is not that one player is losing by a mile. So it is going to be P1 completion time is 12, and P2 completion time is 13, and P3 completion time is 14. Got it? Therefore what is turnaround time? Turnaround time is completion time minus arrival time. So here the turnaround time is 12 here, and then 13 here, and then 14 here. They are very close, isn't it? Then what is the average turnaround time? That is what they are asking. Average turnaround time is 12 plus 13 plus 14 divided by 3. You do the math. Okay, fine. That is the answer. Whatever is the answer, you can find it out. Fine.